think that so far we're having a successful primary, both parliamentary and presidential. I just voted in my constituency, and we're hoping for the best. I don't know what else to say, but to thank everybody who has been involved in the success of this parliamentary primaries and presidential primaries. And we hope that after this is over, the party will continue to work together as one whole. The eyes are on the prize, that is the 2024 elections. And we're going to leave no stone unturned to be able to win those elections. And so we're going to work hard, all the constituency executives, all the national executives. I want to take the opportunity to also thank all the constituencies I went to, the executives who received me, and to thank them for the warm welcome they gave me. Today, I hope would be the last hurdle we cross before we put our eyes on the 2024 elections. After this, we're going to go around the country, begin to select our polling agents, and then also put in place our results transmission system so that we're ready for the D-Day come 7th December 2024.
One of your main contestants stepped down yesterday.
His withdrawal at the last minute does not change anything because I just voted. His face is on the ballot paper, and there are many delegates who don't even know he's withdrawn. And so the result is still going to be what it is, and I expect that it will be overwhelming. It will be a landslide.
What steps are you taking to address concerns that there's disunity in the party, considering Dr. Kwabena Duffuor's situation?
There's no disunity in the party. Absolutely not. What's the disunity? So one contender was dissatisfied with the process and withdrew. It doesn't mean there's disunity in the party.
Are you looking to build bridges ahead after this event today?
Oh, of course. NDC is a family, and all of them are part of that family. And so, as long as they're willing to come together and let's work towards 2024, I don't think there's any problem.
If they are willing to come together, are you looking to approach them yourself?
Oh, of course. The party would make overtures, and we've already been doing that. And I believe that in the run-up even to these primaries, any issues that we have had with the process, we've all been able to approach the national executive, and they've listened to us and tried to correct whatever the problem was. The problem with this one was they waited till the last 3 days to the elections and then decided to file an injunction on the process, and then later withdrew the injunction and then withdrew from the contest. It made it very difficult to deal with some of the issues they were raising at that time. And so I think that that's where the problem was. But I mean, these things happen, and we just look forward.